Hi everybody, I'm Lisa and I'm one of the leaders in this group, and welcome here. You're here because you're interested in looking at the GelMoment business opportunities. So I thought I would share my story with you of how I got started. I ended up starting September of 2019, and I saw a post go through a friend's Facebook just talking about her nails, and I always went to the salon because I was a bit of a nail nibbler, not a big biter, but I always would kind of nibble my nails a little bit. So I would typically go to the salon. I wouldn't have them super long, but just so they looked nice. And every time I would have my nails taken off, they would look horrible. So it was kind of a vicious cycle that I pretty much had to go to the salon to have nice looking short nails even. So it was something that was kind of annoying, not so much for the money for me, but the time commitment. I had to be going to the salon every 2.5, 3 weeks. So anyway, so yeah, I saw this post go through and I reached out to my friend and said, what is this? And I thought about being a customer, and I had tried some other sort of direct sales or MLM companies and really hadn't been able to make anything work. So I was really like not wanting to do another business, but I thought, I looked at the customer kit and I looked at the distributor kit, and they were very close in price. In fact, I actually got more because I got 2 polishes with the distributor kit. So I kind of, I'm going to try it. And I was even thinking I might just be a kidnapper. I really wasn't sure what I was going to do with it. But as soon as I got it, I think I posted a photo because we had gone somewhere. I posted a photo, and then my friend Cindy reached out and said, what are you doing? And so I told her. She joined. And then, you guys, I've been so surprised by just the natural sharing of do-it-yourself nails, like gel polish, and we have everything. So I wear mine short. That's how I like them. I'm used to them short and kind of what I call neat and short. You can build your nails long with our products. So if somebody's used to having really long nails, you can build them out longer. It's answered so many needs for so many women that need their nails done. So back to that though. So I ended up doing a couple of vendor events and things like that and started getting more people joining my team. Very interested in, just because I think there's more women just like myself and yourself that really just want a simple way to get your nails done. And then fast forward to February, March, and what starts to happen then is COVID hits. And, you know, it's just exploded. It's been absolutely insane because, well, for us here personally, we're completely shut down again. We are in November here, and we were closed first part of COVID, then we reopened, and now we are completely shut down to where we can only have the people in our household in our house. We're that shut down. So women are absolutely looking for alternatives and are looking for a business. They're not only are they looking for something for their nails to be done, but also for a way to make some money right now. So this is a really great, simple option of how you can earn some extra money and have nice nails. So that's my story, and I'm really curious to hear yours. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. I also love this particular company because of how we are supportive of each other. I find it to be a very positive environment. It's fun. It's nice having a tribe of women that we all kind of help each other and support each other. If somebody's having a Facebook party, a bunch of us will jump in and comment to help bringing the interaction up. And it's just, I found it to be a really fun place to be. So we're excited if you decide to join, and please reach out to whoever invited you here.